Hello everyone. Wait. Don't skip this video. What if I tell you that you don't need perfect English to start speaking English? What if I tell you that making mistakes is not shameful? In fact, staying silent is shameful. So if you want to improve your English speaking, then this video is only for you. Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to SAR English. My name is Ahmad and I'm from Surat, Gujarat. I have created this YouTube channel to improve my English speaking skills and also to help people like you. And yes, this is absolutely right that I am not an English native speaker. In fact, my native language is Hindi and English is not my native language. So it's obvious for me to make mistakes. Okay, because I'm also an English learner just like you. So please remember one thing in this video that I can make mistakes. In fact, you can make mistakes, but mistakes are okay. They are the parts of learning. That's completely okay. Now, let me tell you that today is the beginning of the new year. It is the first day of the new year, and today it is also the first day of my 30-day English speaking challenge. And for the next 30 days, I will be speaking in English and I will be uploading the videos for YouTube channel. And I will speak English every day for at least 4 to 5 minutes. In this way, I will be practicing English and there will be no excuses, no fear, and I will do only practice. But I believe in one thing, and that is very important. You must keep this line in your head and you should follow it also, that you don't learn English by thinking only, but you have to speak English. You learn English by speaking, because this line is very important and I always focus on this line. If you want to learn English, then you will have to speak. In fact, you learn English by speaking only. Okay, now let me ask you something. Do you feel scared while speaking English? Do you feel hesitate? Do you feel afraid that if you make any kind of mistake, people will laugh at you? Are you afraid of being judged? Do you think people will make fun of you? Or do you stop yourself because of grammar mistakes? If your answer is yes, then trust me, you are not alone on the surface of the earth, because there are many English learners. In fact, thousands of learners are facing the same issue. They are also scared and they are also facing the same issue. In fact, I'm also scared. Sometimes I also feel a lot of scared. In fact, I am still scared sometimes, but today I decided one thing and I have given one challenge to myself, that fear will not control me. In fact, I will control fear. I will not let fear decide my future. In fact, I will decide my future. So mistakes are not our enemies. Mistakes are our teacher. We learn from our mistake. If we are not making mistakes, it simply means that we are not trying, we are not practicing. If we are practicing, we are definitely going to make some mistakes. And if we are making mistakes, it simply means that you have chance, you have opportunity to correct yourself, to improve yourself. And if you do so, it means that you are improving day by day. So mistakes are our teachers. We should learn from them. They teach us. Okay, now let me tell you what is the purpose of this channel. The purpose of this channel is not just to speak English and to improve my English speaking skills. And this channel is not just for fluent speakers, but this channel is also for beginners, intermediate, learners, and for those people who feel shy. And it is also for those people who has lack of confidence and somehow they are struggling, they are not able to speak English properly. And now let me tell you one thing, that here we are going to learn together, we will improve together, we will grow together, and at the same time we will learn together and we will improve every day, step by step. So there is no pressure, no judgment. In fact, only one thing I can do, that is I can motivate you. So if a person like if a normal person like me can start his English speaking journey, so why can't you start your English speaking journey from today? So for that, you don't need a camera, you don't need an audience. Just speak. You have many things to speak. Like you can practice English speaking in front of a camera, in front of a mirror, while walking, while cooking, or whenever you feel like speaking, you can practice. Or you can also practice alone when you are in a room, or when you are somewhere when you are alone. So you can practice whenever you want, the way you like. But you must practice speaking English every single day. That's the key to speak English fluently. Now at the end of the video, I would like to invite you all to join in my 30-day English speaking challenge. And if you are really very serious about improving English, then do subscribe to SAR English, because this channel is not only mine, but this is your channel also. So subscribe to SAR English and like this video, and stay tuned with us, because many videos are going to come, many days are ahead. So comment below, I accept the challenge. And if you comment, your comment will motivate me, and my videos will motivate you. Remember this one line: fluency comes from consistency, not perfection. This is day one, many days are going to come. So thank you so much for watching this video and spending your valuable time on this video. I hope you must have got something from this video. So till then, take care. Bye bye. Keep watching, keep improving, keep learning, and keep speaking English every single day. See you.